Hello guys, this is Spicy and this video is sponsored by Testors. So today I'm showcasing the TESTORS Amazing Air once again, and I'm using the TESTORS Aztec airbrush propellant, and I'm painting some parts using the TESTORS Acrylic. This one's the fiery orange. I am gonna paint this heat saber from the Bandai high grade 144 scale Zogok in this fiery orange color, because this is supposed to be a heat saber and it's supposed to be the orange version. Unfortunately, when you get this kit, this thing comes in this clear color, so you're gonna have to paint it if you want it to match the box. So I'm gonna do that. I'm also gonna paint some parts which I'm gonna use to customize the Zogok in the following video. That's coming soon after the review, and that's let's get started. Alright, now I have all the parts prepped. Let's get started with the painting. So I'm gonna just go over with a very quick coat of this fiery orange. You can see it actually looks really good now. Just one coat on this clear translucent color piece. Be sure you use like a fan to get all the paint out of the, open up a window and get the fan going, so paint particles get blown out the room. Otherwise, even though these are non-toxic, they still create some sort of fume, which is not very pleasant, so just be aware of that. And let's continue painting some of these parts. Okay, let's go over with the second layer. Alright, so let's give it one last coat. Alright, so now all the parts are painted. Let's take a quick look at some of the parts. So right here we have the heat saber. I also painted the hilt using the TESTORS Model Master Metallizer lacquer. This one here is gunmetal, so very closely matched the color on the handle. Here, very nice. So this is looking really cool. And then we have these individual parts I painted orange. These swords are pretty much the same thing, so yeah, here we go. And then we have these parts, which are all pretty much the same thing. Let's take a look at this one real quick. And these will be going on to my second project, which will be coming up very soon. So yeah, be sure to remove the air connector from the propellant, and then also close up the propellant, and then clean up your adapter for the paint, and also close up the paint for storage. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.